Hey there, what is up everyone? So I got my hands on a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, and in this video we're going to be unboxing it and doing a quick hands-on review. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, so before we begin this video, please go ahead and give it a like. It really helps us out a lot. And comment down below and let me know what you think on the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. And also subscribe and hit that bell to receive notifications on future videos. Alright, let's get right to the video now. And here we have it, guys. So this is the new box here for the Note 9. Looks like it has a picture of the stylus in the front. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 logo right here. We have a T-Mobile logo on this side. And here on the back we have some basic information on the phone, 128 gig. And then some of the stuff that the package includes. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let's rip this seal open here with this SIM card ejector tool. And let's rip this baby open. Alright, so here we have a package here. Looks like we have some paperwork in here. Here we have the SIM card ejector tool. Let's open this up. And up here we have the manuals, terms and conditions, and just a bunch of paperwork. Just put this to the side. And here we have it, guys, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Beautiful looking phone. I especially love this color. This one is the coral blue, and it comes with like a yellow goldish stylus. Very nice color combination. Alright, let's put that to the side to see what else we have in here. So it looks like here we have the micro USB adapter. Here we have the fast adaptive charger. Here we have the USB Type-C cable. Alright, and then right here we have the AKG headphones that all the new Samsungs are coming with. Here we have some extra earbuds in case you ever want to change them out. And we have this little metal tool here. Not sure exactly what this is for. Alright, so let's peel this off so we can take a nicer, closer look at this Note 9. Beautiful back, shiny blue color here. So here at the top we have some scanners. We have the ear speaker and the front camera. Huge looking screen. Very similar though to the Note 8. Here we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, the microphone input, the speaker here, and we have the stylus all the way to the right here. Let's take a look at the stylus. Beautiful golden yellow stylus pen. Let's put that back in. So here on this side, looks like we just have the power button. Here on the top we have the microphone input for the when you're on video calls. Here we have the SIM card and SD card tray. On this side we're going to have the volume buttons and the Bixby button. Here on the back we have the two rear dual pixel cameras. We have the fingerprint scanner. Down here we have the Samsung logo. Alright, so let's turn this phone on and let's get it working. So here we have it, the device fully activated. If you swipe down from the top, you get the notifications and the quick settings. And if you swipe from side to side here on the settings, you get some more settings to choose from. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the dial pad on this Note 9. So here's what the dial pad is going to look like. Pretty sure you can also customize this by downloading different fonts and sizes for it. Here's the keyboard layout, so you can see what the Samsung keyboard layout is going to look like on the Note 9 here. Let's go and check out the camera, see what different features the camera brings. So we have the Bixby Vision here for the camera. If you take pictures and it recognizes certain objects, it's going to try and find it on the web. So here we have Pro Mode. We have a lot of different settings we can choose from. We have live focus, which is pretty much portrait mode. We also have super slow-mo for videos, so you can take super slow motion videos. We have AR emojis here, where you can take pictures and it will put emojis on people's faces. Here's a couple different emojis you can choose from. Here we have hyperlapse, which is high speed, like fast forwarded videos. Let's try out the selfie camera here to see what it looks like. And I apologize for the camera angle, guys. I'm actually shooting this video at a different location, not at my normal studio where I was able to get my hands on this Note 9. So here we have all the camera settings. Let's take a look at the video quality here for the front camera. So here we have a couple different options of video quality that we can choose from. And you can also select the picture quality that you want for this front selfie camera as well. So up here we have the picture quality for the main rear camera. So there's a couple different options here as well to choose from, and you can also select the video quality that you prefer as well. The higher the quality, the more storage space it's going to take up on your device. On the camera here, you have the option for this little button here on the right hand side. It zooms the picture in right away, and if you select it again, it zooms out. Let's go ahead and check out the stylus here once again. Let's remove the stylus. Once you remove it, it will automatically detect that it was detached. And if we press the little button here, it's going to give us all of these stylus options that we can choose from for the Note 9. We're going to do a full review video where we're going to be going over all of these different options for the stylus pen. So stay tuned for that one. Let's go and check out YouTube now and check out the video and speaker quality on the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So let's check out here one of our videos.
This school year, get a new iPhone from T-Mobile and keep...
He skipped orientation for the...
Hey there, what is up everyone? In this video, we're going to be comparing the i7s TWS. 7S TWS, you can get these for about $15 to $20 on Amazon. I want to see how this compares to the actual Apple AirPods and see if they're any good, since the price difference is huge. If they can compare up to the Apple AirPods. Alright, so first off guys, just want to let you know, if you are interested in checking these out, here, the i7s TWS. So excellent speaker and video quality here on YouTube. Let's go ahead and go over some of the specs now of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Alright everyone, so we're going to be going over the specs now really quickly of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9, so we know what we're getting as far as hardware comes inside this phone. Okay, so it weighs 201 grams. That's approximately 7.09 ounces. It has a Super AMOLED capacitive display with 16 million colors. The size of the screen is 6.4 inches, and it has an 83.4% screen-to-body ratio. The resolution is 1440 by 2960, and that's 516 pixels per inch. The glass screen is Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It comes with Android 8.1 Oreo, and it has the newest Snapdragon 845 chipset, the fastest chip in the market that's out right now. It's a octa-core processor with 4 cores at 2.7 gigahertz and 4 cores at 2.8 gigahertz. They come 128 gigabytes and also 512 gigabytes. The 128 gig is $999 here in the US, and the 512 gigabyte is $1,249. Also, you can add a micro SD up to 512 gigabytes. The 512 gigabyte model comes with 8 gigabytes of memory RAM, while the 128 gigabytes comes with 6 gigabytes of memory RAM. So you're getting an extra 2 gigabytes when you get the larger storage version. It has a 12 megapixel dual pixel main rear camera and a 8 megapixel selfie front facing camera. The main camera shoots video at 2160 at 60 frames per second, while the front facing camera shoots video at 1440p at 30 frames per second. It has all the basic sensors that all the top end-of-the-line smartphones come out with. Iris scanner, fingerprint sensor, heart rate scanner, all of the main sensors that the new smartphones are coming out with. And as far as the battery, it has a non-removable, once again, 4000 mAh lithium-ion battery. They're coming in 4 different colors: metallic copper, lavender purple, ocean blue, and midnight black. Alright, you can get the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9. We're going to have links in the description down below if you want to get one. And you can also get them at any local store, Best Buy, T-Mobile, any of the major carriers, AT&T, Sprint, Verizon, they're all going to have it. It is still on pre-order. The shipments, they say that they'll be going out August 24th, so you'll have to wait until then. I was lucky enough to be able to get my hands on this one before shipments went out. Alright everyone, so let me know in the comments down below what you think, if you like the new Samsung Galaxy Note 9, if you're thinking about getting one. And also give this video a like. Also subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell to receive notifications on future videos. and I'll see you around in the next video. Peace.